In this video, I will teach you how to create Facebook page. So first, go and open Facebook application. Now click on the icon on the top right corner and then choose pages here. So here, click on this plus button for create. That's how you create a new page. So let's go through the process. Just click on get started. Here, the page name, let's make it WTD, for example. And now click on next. So that's the category of the page. Let's make it, music and band. You can even add more than one category, but let's just pick up one. And here, choose create. So here's some more information such as bio, the contact, the website of the page if you got website, email address, phone number, location, city, even the hours, no hours available, 24/7, even standard hours. You can choose specific time, Monday, for example, Wednesday, closed and open, and so on and so far. But let's make it, let's make it 24/7 here. I will not add any information because there's no specific information that we like to add, but this backs to you if you'd like to add a different bio, a website, or even phone number. So let's click on next here. So now we got the page. We can add the picture in the cover picture for the page, but I will not do this because this page is just for example. Now click on next. In here, we can add a phone number to WhatsApp, but I will not add any phone number. Just click on skip. And even next, just to add friends to or invite friends to like your page. And now you got these information because just you need to stay informed about your page. You receive notification or marketing promotional emails and so on and so far. I will not active these and now click on done. So the page being created easily and successfully. That takes 2 to 5 minutes on your phone. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.